Pakistani propaganda accounts claimed that the Tejas aircraft suffered an oil leak at Dubai Air Show 2025, while in reality, it was water drained by the environmental control system, which releases moisture that forms when hot air is cooled for the cockpit's air conditioning. Same thing that happened to Pakistan's Su-57 at 2025 air show in the UK. Bangladesh's Mohammed Yunus-backed interim government has formally asked India to immediately hand over ex-Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and former Home Minister without any delay. Mazagan Dock shipbuilders laid the keel for the second multi-purpose vessel for Denmark-based dry bulk freight company Navi Merchants. The Air Forces of India and France have commenced exercise Garuda 2025 in France. France and Ukraine have signed a letter of intent that will allow Ukraine to purchase up to 100 Rafale fighter jets, along with drones, radar systems and air defense systems. Bharat Electronic Limited has begun production of the DRDO-developed X-band AESA multifunction radar, after securing an 850 crore rupees order for 6 units, with deliveries scheduled to begin in 2026. That will be integrated on Indian Navy's 6 next-generation missile vessels. Paras Defence and Space Technologies has received a 71.68 crore rupees order from the DRDO for supplying 2 optronic periscopes for submarine applications. Bangalore-based Dynauton Systems, a division of Dynamatic Technologies, has unveiled its new submale-class Cheel UAV, which is a fully autonomous UAV with both software and hardware developed entirely in-house, with zero Chinese content. Russia's United Aircraft Corporation has announced at Dubai Air Show 2025 that it has delivered the first 2 export units of its Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jets to a foreign customer, widely believed to be Algeria. The DRDO has announced that it has already completed 2 full-range tests of its 500 km submarine-launched cruise missile that validated underwater capsule ejection, stability and buoyancy-based alignment without mechanical aids, underwater booster ignition, clean capsule separation, smooth transition to air-breathing flight, terrain-hugging cruise, and a terminal strike on mock targets. These developmental trials will now be followed by user trials by the Indian Navy. The DRDO is set to transfer technology for its 30 kW anti-drone laser weapon system to private industry, marking India's first move to mass-produce a high-powered directed energy weapon. The decision follows recent successful field trials that proved the system's accuracy, reliability and ability to neutralize drones and loitering munitions at ranges of up to 5 kilometers. The DRDO is developing a ground-based high-power microwave-directed energy weapon that can neutralize UAV electronics at ranges up to 5 kilometers. In recent trials, the system successfully disabled 4 swarm drones at 1 kilometer, proving its effectiveness as a next-generation electronic warfare shield against complex unmanned threats. Mazagan Dock Shipbuilders has expressed confidence that India and Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems will finalize the landmark contract for 6 Project 75I submarines before March 2026. With the concept design agreement already cleared, both sides have shifted into a negotiation sprint, accelerating discussions to lock in the design, technology transfer and air-independent propulsion framework for India's 6 next-generation submarines. India's AMCA stealth fighter program is nearing its 2026 contract award, triggering a high-stakes contest among states to host the production line. While the Ministry of Defence prefers using existing facilities of Hindustan Aeronautics, the leap to 5th-generation manufacturing might require a new greenfield site with advanced tooling. 5 states have pitched aggressively, but the leading contenders are Bangalore, Hyderabad and Nashik. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.